Fall is almost upon us, so today I want to teach you a super easy fall eye that absolutely everyone can wear. It's only 3 shades, I promise you can do it. All right, to start, for a base and a hint of color, I'm actually going to take a liquid shadow. This is the suede shade from Stila, and this is in the color Sheer Sand. Taking the wand, I'm going to apply this shade all over the lid. Don't have to be super precise because we're going to blend it in a minute. Now I'm just going to take a little flat packing brush, and all I'm going to do is tap right along the edge of the shadow. And you might be wondering, Trevor, why not just use a powder shadow? And you certainly could, but these are significantly more long wearing than powders, and again, they make great bases. And now for a little bit more depth, I'm going to take a slightly deeper shade. This is the color Sheer Stone. And I'm only going to apply this one on the outer half of the eye, slightly up into the crease. And once again, just repeating the exact same process with the same brush. You can stop here for a natural matte smoky eye, but if you want to add some sparkle, this is the all over glimmer in the shade Copper Lake, and I mean, look at it. So just taking a little bit on my finger, all I'm going to do is tap it right through the center of the eye, and then just blend it all over. Super sheer, you can still see your eye through it, but it's going to give you that beautiful, wet, golden shimmer. Now to define the eyes, I'm going to take some eyeliner. This is the Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to use the side of the brush to just lay on a little line right across the lash line. With hooded eyes, I recommend just keeping the liner on the outer half of the eye. I'm just gonna slightly extend this into a little wing. It's honestly one of my favorite brown liners. I feel like the color is the perfect neutral brown. And lastly, just go ahead and finish off the eyes with some mascara. Using the huge Extreme Lash from Stila. I honestly love a really thick volumizing lash because I don't have a lot. And this mascara will give you just that. And there you have it, a super easy fall look I promise you can do. If you're not yet comfortable using eyeliner, I promise this one is super easy, but you can always just use a shadow. Okay, but one last thing you can do is take some of this glimmer, and I love to just tap this all over the lips. This will give you the most beautiful soft glitter effect, and then I just top it with a little bit of plumping gloss, and it will give you the most beautiful lip. Thank you so much to Stila for sponsoring today's tutorial. If you want to check out the full collection and more, you can check it out now at Ulta. Let me know if you try it out and any questions you have below.